My video is a zero cost DIY. I gave it a different twist. I don't have any moss and I don't want to go and buy any. So I used items that I already had at home, like a t-shirt. I had some twine and scissors and the succulents and the spider plants and these other flowers I already had in my garden. I decided I was going to use those. I did make 2 of them to hang, and I staggered them so that I can hang them up there. I'm just going to split them with water, and if I see that they're getting too heavy or if they're making a mess in the kitchen, they're going outside. I'm going to hang them all, but for now I'm just going to keep 4 of them in this lovely basket that I also thrifted. These are going to my patio. Out of 1 t-shirt, I was able to make 6 Kokedamas. And I just think they are adorable. Look at this. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. I would appreciate it. Goodbye.